Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Fishing Tackle channel. I wanted to jump into unboxing this Kastking real surprise box. I guess you've seen it lately. It came back. I wasn't too impressed by the unboxing videos I've seen. I was a little bit disappointed in a way for Piscifun, but once I opened it, and found out what kind of reel this was. I was very happy with this, since this is specifically saltwater reel, and that's what you could choose for Piscifun. You could choose either freshwater or saltwater, but not for Kastking. Kastking, I think they're mainly based on freshwater, so I don't have a lot of expectation. Let's see what's in it. I did have a choice to choose left-handed or right-handed, so I got to choose left-handed. For Piscifun, I didn't get to choose left or right-handed. You could only choose whether it's freshwater or saltwater, but I'm very happy with it since I like using both sides. So let's check him out. It's supposed to be, I didn't pay the full price. I think I had like $15 or so discount with the code. You're supposed to get a reel, either spinning or cast, a bait cast, and then like a braided line or lure or a mix of it, and then you get this tackle, whether it's scale, sunglasses, hat, or tool. So let's open this up. Comes like this. That's the reel. Category CST. Kovert Xtreme Fluoro Carbon. That's pretty good. But how many pounds is this? What is this? Doesn't even say. Is it 10 pound? And then you get this shotgun case, I guess. Casing, you open it up. That's the lure you're getting. Okay. Not that impressive. Pretty gimmicky, right? I kind of like the case, I guess. And then fishing scale. Yeah. What kind of scale it is? It is small, so is it at least digital? It is digital, and it's rechargeable. That's cool. You can recharge this scale, the USB. Let's go back to this. How many pounds is this? I think it's 10 pounds based on CL10. 200 yard of CL10. Jesus. Let me see. So it is 10 pound, 200 yard. So yeah, it works for maybe flounder fishing or mainly inshore, freshwater, not so much for deep sea fishing, I would say. So far, I'm not that impressed. I don't see this being $400 worth of tackle. The reel is, again, CST category. CST? What does that even mean? Again, I'm not sponsored. This isn't a sponsored video, so I'm giving you my first impression. So yeah, not impressed at all so far. I know people will probably say otherwise, but okay. It has a little nice drag clicker. I don't know how much this goes for on retail, but seems pretty solid. Very light. So this could be a, but then it's mainly for casting, so like inshore or bait cast. Using these kind of small mini lure that came with it, I would imagine is a type that you're gonna get. But yeah, I am a little bit disappointed. I didn't expect so much, but if I had to compare spending 70-80 bucks for a surprise box, I would definitely 100% as a saltwater fisherman go with Piscifun. These reels altogether, I feel like this could go for maybe $40-50. I mean, it's just all plasticky freshwater reel. It does have the drag clicker, so that makes it a little bit better, but nothing impressive. 40-pound, 65-pound scale with 10-pound line. So if I could estimate how much this is actually worth, I would say, I don't know, one of these shouldn't cost more than, considering Kastking, it's not a Daiwa, like 50 bucks, $50-60 at most. 10 bucks one of these, so about $60. $10, I mean, not even $10, like $7, so like 60 max, at most $70. And then let me see the lure. What was the lure? What I just put the lure. It's like $3 for this. So I don't think this is $400 worth or anywhere close. I don't even think it's close to $100, to be honest. That's just that's my opinion, based on my impression, having owned or purchased many different lures and reels, and yeah, overall I'm not impressed at all. Again, I would not recommend getting it. I got it for you guys. So if you're a freshwater fisherman and you just like unboxing kind of thing, yeah, go ahead and get it. Value wise, I don't think it's there. I think Piscifun has so much more value. If you're lucky to get one of these, it's not guaranteed that you're going to get one of these Alijoz, which I paid. It goes for like 100, sell like somewhere between 130 to retail like 140, 150, but I got them for like 70 something dollars after promotion discount. This one, I think with the tax, like $70 shipping and handling everything, so kind of got bare minimum. I think, yeah, I would probably just spend that money buying the ones that you actually need. This is probably something I'm never gonna use, unless I don't know what I'm catching, like catching a bass, I guess. Largemouth bass or something like that. Freshwater stuff. Yeah, I get some free stuff. Show you. I guess I don't have it, but yeah, you could get much better fluorocarbon than the one they included. But overall, again, I'm disappointed, but you know, I didn't have much expectation. Kastking isn't the most, I guess. They market a lot. I wish they would have spent more on the stuff in here than their advertisement. So kind of a thumbs down for me.